Agostino del Brigidi, se davvero lì, tutto del nido su, cavo pavardi, hai fatto caccia un po', e te ne già gira, tutto Gesù tazza, fino a tutto mandarmi mai. Qui si chiama Marina passa blu, e io bellezza mi figli per la si mi diverti da tagliatore, io faccio il carattere senza per la valigia frusta a favore. Agostino del Brigidi, nazze capeva lì, sotto del nido.
You guys, I get so excited for this carrot juice. I literally sit and dream about it at nighttime, and I've had it every single day. But I'm like in bed at nighttime, like thinking about getting the carrot juice. It's just pure carrots, and they add a little bit of ginger. Very proud of. I got a package. How cute that packaging is. It's so pretty. Shall we try it on? I'm eating my last meal. It is 6:21 and 6 o'clock is when I have my last. What? I got my order wrong. Hey, what is this? I asked for ginger and carrot. I smell celery. Oh. Okay, anyways, let me get my stuff. Gave me, I always order carrot juice. I know I ordered carrot juice and I smell celery. Why would you even choose? Let's see. I know how to say carrot in Italian. You can't drink it. It's sweet. Something in here is sweet, because I can't even drink it. I don't drink sweet anything. I ordered carrot ginger juice, same thing I have every single day. There's something in there that's sweet and it tastes like, I don't know what that is. I'm not drinking it. Anyways, I'll just have water. I ordered a grain bowl. I usually order a grain bowl. I eat my last meal at 6. I don't eat past 6 o'clock. Always like 2 heaping tablespoons. To me, it doesn't really have a taste. Flax seeds, it kind of just, it's a little nutty, but it's very bland to me, so I don't mind it. It just adds a texture more than anything. And then I add sea salt, more than sea salt. This is Arctic sea salt from Iceland. I got these from Iceland. It's the best salt in the world. You shouldn't consume table salt. It's terrible for you. But actual real salt, the good stuff, you need it like daily. So it's actually really good for you, the proper salt. And then I use olive oil. Olive oil is also so good for you. It's a healthy fat, and I find a way to get it in my body every day. This is actually the olive oil I use in my products, which I'll talk about in a second. I have so many bottles of these, but it looks like alcohol. But it's not, it's olive oil. And it's such a healthy fat. I go crazy on it this time, and I go to bed late because I'm always working, but maybe I go to bed at maybe 11 at night. Let's taste it. So I'm gonna eat this and come back. Okay, so I'm gonna taste this now. Okay, so I'm gonna leave this on for, get this on for 1 hour. So I just put my daily face mask on. It's my saffron from Afghanistan and Italian honey face mask. Yeah, I hit up when I was making these masks. Yeah, turmeric from Afghanistan. I was just in Afghanistan and I got a ton of saffron. Saffron is one of the most expensive and like the rarest spice in the world. It can only be, I think it can only be grown in Afghanistan. And there's just fields and fields of saffron in Afghanistan, maybe in Iran too. Regardless, I also got this ring. Isn't that beautiful? This is from Afghanistan, Afghani gold. It's 14 karat gold from Afghanistan and they made it for me in Afghanistan. Anyways, when I was just there, I'm gonna take it off. Anyways, when I was just there, I picked up a ton of saffron. Saffron is a spice that grows in the fields of Afghanistan. Anyways, I put it in this mask because saffron is so good for your skin. It has this yellow pigment that you see, and it really helps lift and get rid of dark spots like crazy. Like, you guys will see when you get this mask, the combination of the turmeric and the saffron together just makes your skin so glowy, and it lifts. It helps a lot with discoloration. It will make your skin even. It will get rid of the darkness on your skin, the dark spots, you know. So it really helps get rid of those. So that's why I love it so much. It's because I used to have a ton of dark spots on my face from acne scars. I used to pick when I had acne and so I would be left with dark spots. And so this mask really helped with that and like evened out my skin so that I really don't have that many dark spots anymore, and the ones I have are being treated by this mask, and that's why it's so amazing. You can go to my website and purchase it. I have these. I've been making these for you guys. Yeah, turmeric and that Italian honey will make your skin so I'm producing, so I'm really excited about it. And I was to get a shower. So in the shower, obviously I'm not gonna wash my hair today, so I'm just gonna use this Posh chocolate from Lush. I have turmeric on my fingers, but I use this. I'm gonna use this today. It smells just like chocolate. It's literally a body wash made of chocolate. I have from Lush, and I also use, it's like a body polish. So I wash my body first with, I'm obsessed with honey, you guys. This is honey I wash the kids from Lush. I've been using this for years. It's the body wash I use. And then I polish my skin with the chocolate, Posh chocolate, but it's like a body polisher. It's just like that extra kiss of, that will just make your skin so soft. Wiping the face mask off. And before I put the face mask on, Oat Cleansing Balm from Inky List. I love this stuff. And then as my first cleanse, and then my second cleanse, I used the salicylic acid cleanser. First thing I'm going to do after the face mask is just put on niacinamide, because niacinamide is so good for your skin. All over my skin. You guys should have seen the kind of dark spots I used to have all over my face. I used to be covered in dark spots. All here, all my forehead especially. Used to be dark spots, and then I started using the turmeric masks. Turmeric, and it clears it up. So a face. Okay. Then I use a belief moisturizer. This isn't, I'm not gonna be honest, this is not my favorite moisturizer. My favorite is from Kiehl's, the Ultra Facial Cream, I think it's called. That's my favorite. This is not my favorite, so I'm trying to get rid of it. It's not bad, it's just nothing special to me at all. It left, but there was a heat wave here this summer that was so ungodly, and I was drenched in sweat every single day, but never under my arms. I don't sweat under my armpits. I just don't. I don't know why. It might be genetic, but anyways. So deodorant's really bad for you. But there's some natural ones I know, but I'm not into all that. I use glycolic acid under my arms at nighttime and in the morning. I literally just put it on a pad like this and I wipe it under my arms. And I do the same thing when I wake up in the morning. And it works perfectly for me. Because one, I'm not sweating under here anyways. And two, I think the glycolic acid treats your armpits the same way that deodorant does. So, yeah, and it keeps my armpits flush. Like, the next thing I do is I put on my Lash serum, my brows. So, let me see. This is the brow serum I created myself. It's honey and castor oil, but not just any honey and castor oil. It's the great Italian honey and castor oil. And I also use it on my edges. Wait later, but. And then I put it on my lashes and bottom. Boom. My edges, and now I'm going to literally cover my body in my body oil. So this is the body oil I came out with. It's rose, vanilla bean, and EVOO, Italian extra virgin olive oil, and I literally cover myself head to toe in it. And extra virgin olive oil is just so nutrient dense, and it really it's such a healthy fat that it keeps in moisture and keeps your skin plump and soft. And I never want to have dry skin at any age. I never want my skin to go dry, so every night it's been olive oil for years, and probably will do it for the rest of my life. So then I'll put oil, give myself a scalp massage, but I do that in bed, so I'm not going to show that. But I literally I also have my hair growth oil that I put in every night, even if it's just a little bit, on my scalp. And then I take my fingers, or I take a jade brush, and I massage my scalp. Okay, let me just go. So, you guys, I get my jade comb. I take my hair oil. I'll link it down below for you guys. I had to go get it because I literally have it on the side of my nightstand every night. And I brush with the jade comb for like 10 minutes with the hair oil in my hair. But you don't need a jade comb, it's just fancy. You can use your good old fingers. And what you want to do with my hair oil, I'll link down below, is put it in your scalp. If you have natural hair, every night. But if your hair's straight, or if you're white, or you have a more straight textured hair, do it just before you get a shower. If you're white or Asian or whatever. Put the oil in your scalp, massage it before you get a shower, and then wash the oil out. So you can hear The Office I have playing in the background. Yeah, do it before the shower and then wash it out. If you have natural hair, kinkier hair, like a 3B plus 4C or 4 any type of 4 hair or whatever, you can put in your hair daily on your scalp and give yourself a little massage, and your hair is just going to grow like crazy, and it's going to grow in beautifully. The key to hair growth is great. You want your hair to grow, but you want your hair to grow in beautifully. You want shiny, gorgeous hair, and that's what my hair oil is targeted for. So that's basically my night routine. I journal. I'm also writing a book, so I have to go write I write a chapter every night, or maybe a part of a chapter every night, and that's my night routine. So I'll link all my products down below if you guys want to try them, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.